Ticino. We're here at Voxxed Days Ticino. I'm with Patrick, who's talking about the Java 9 module system, which is very apt because there's been a bit of a Twitter storm yesterday, actually, about automatic modules.
Yeah.
Could you fill us in?
Yeah, the discussion went about if automatic modules as they are now should be kept on the way that they are or not, and what impact that is based on for the normal end user basically, or the library developer. That's more or less the context of it. And if you take the automatic module approach that's existing now, we got some problems that an end user or a library developer has to decide what depending modules names would be, even if the modules don't exist already. So there is a bit the main problem within.
So I thought that the automatic modules would be automatically named.
Yes, but if you want to use them, if you are a module, you have to specify a required part, and which you have to give a stable name basically. And if you are a developer, for example, that uses Guava, you have to say requires Guava. And if you do a library of it and you push that on the net and someone uses that and puts his code on top of that, and Guava comes out with the final module, and it may be called Google.com Guava in the end, that library will break.
Yeah.
Even though it is a proper module per se. But if you want to create a module without any dependencies on others, you must somehow have a stable name, which you don't have at this point.
And so, aside from that debate, what's your experience with the module system?
So basically, if as a final in the end of the chain, being a developer, then you don't get to the model in the first place. You have plenty enough problems to even get your old style class path being working. So there are a lot of libraries that you may use that uses deprecated API, which you have replacements since Java 1.4 or 1.2, and they never change that. So basically it breaks already even before you come at least in near to the module system itself.
Do you think that's a necessary evil, though, in order to move towards a nice modular system with smaller applications? Do you think we need to go through the pain of things breaking?
Well, you go always to some pain of breaking if you use a new external library. That could happen from day to day already now. So, but in the end, to have a clearly separated part of external libraries and clear boundaries, what you can use and what you don't have to use, I think that's a good thing to do. Also to have a better development by yourself anyway. So because you don't have any chance to say, well, this is public this package I want to have public, and in that one internally that don't touch. We use that internally.
So it gives you better encapsulation.
Yeah, of course. At the moment in our company, you have to basically do that. How should I say? Like in a formal process. If the package named internal, don't use it, and we're gonna check the code based on that. But it's
messy.
It's messy. Not a really good thing to do.
And when you're teaching people about the module system, what do you find that the most important message to get across is?
Think first before you write any code at all, and always keep in mind that anything you put there is firstly a public API.
Yeah.
And have a good separation of what is public and what is not public in the first place. It's easy to say, but we got a software system which is already almost 20 years old, like from the almost day one of Java. And we have quite a mess there, which we have to solve anyway, somehow.
Thank you very much.